Not installing error code 0x800700E9 on Xbox app, Windows 11 10. 1. Restart your PC, close the Xbox app completely, save all open work, restart your computer, open the Xbox app again, try installing Forza Horizon 6. 2. Check your internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable, restart your router modem, avoid using VPNs during the download, retry the installation. Nodhajner 3. Run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. Open Settings, go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Find Windows Store Apps, click Run, apply any recommended fixes, restart your PC. MUF 4. Reset Microsoft Store Cache. Press Windows R, type wsreset.exe, press Enter, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen, try installing the game again. Stark 5. Repair the Xbox app, open Settings, go to Apps, Installed Apps, select Xbox, click Advanced Options, choose Repair, launch the Xbox app and test the installation. NAR 6. Repair gaming services. Open Settings, navigate to Apps, Installed Apps, find Gaming Services, click Advanced Options, select Repair, restart your PC. 7. Check available storage space. Open Settings, System, Storage, verify you have enough free space for the game, delete unnecessary files if needed. Retry the installation. Share 8. Install pending Windows updates. Open Settings, Windows Update. Click Check for Updates. Install all available updates. Restart the computer. Try downloading the game again. Hasher 9. Reset Xbox app and gaming services. Open Settings, Apps, select Xbox, open Advanced Options, click Reset. Repeat the process for gaming services. Restart your PC. Number 10. Reinstall Xbox app and gaming services. Uninstall the Xbox app. Remove gaming services. Restart your computer. Reinstall both from Microsoft Store. Sign in and install Forza Horizon 6 again. These solutions can resolve most Xbox app installation errors, including 0x800700E9 caused by corrupted app files, gaming services issues, Microsoft Store cache problems, or Windows configuration errors.